How to share your live location on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen, and further tap on the settings option from the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under the privacy controls tab, you will see the My Location option. Tap on that and further go ahead and toggle off the ghost mode toggle button, as if ghost mode is enabled, people will not be able to view your location. So, once you have disabled ghost mode, select any of the provided options, that is, my friends except, or only these friends. You can also tap on the Update Location Settings option you see on top and further set your Snapchat location settings to always allow. Once you are done making these changes, you can go ahead and ask your friends to check the Snap Map to view your live location. Simply go to the Chats tab and tap on the Snap Map option, and you will be able to view your friend's location too. So, this is how you can share your live location on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.